Habather kala ya u Presiden ke VPP uba Arden Besaiman, u sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela uba asngau balang thar, u laong baya ki kam penroy bet ki jingtre kam ki basya jong on bishar da ki pat ba nong thep vote jong kanar tiang, bat om da ki nongele persya san perthei jong Ya kani ula penpau halur ke jingken tho jong uba Arden, ba uba asngau balang ula sedang ben peni, ya ka jinglong ke bakhut bat basya ya ka rukam sami ki skim penroy, namar ka jingtiang ya ka VPP. Uba asngau balang ula balengan bat balengan pensyai ru syakipat ba. Kibrio jong ngai kila jit ya nga, la sausin kenti, bat ngat harai uba Arden ula syak jit arsin ula rem bat wan pai biang. Langalong uba kut bat syai hagi jing turekam jonga, kibrio jong ngai kitip kamha, ong usngau balang, haba benram. Om dan balak ban batai nak benta jonga, ki beriu jonga ki dei ki badannya ka hok ban batai, yakini baro. Habayanu jor bat kenong krem konstituensi jong uba Arden, uba asngau balang ulaong. Kapen i bagi beriu jonga ki kamstan, banyak kenong krem konstituensi tangkata. Halur ka jing turai ka jong kum MLA, udhar ulaong. Halur ki kam penroy, ngala persangkat balak bermanra ya ka roy kapar, bat kata kadai ka kamram jonga kumu MLA kathan. Kumta, kiberiu kanar tiang konstituensi kilong kibastad ha, bat kinang bahaban jit ikinong mikmat jongki ula benram.
Why I should say, and why I should explain it also to the peoples of the world. My people has elected me 4 times continuously. And Arden, I think he was elected twice and lose and come back again. So it shows that my people is more clever than the inaugural constituency. That's all. Whether I'm transparent or not, my people know better. Nobody can explain on my behalf. My people is the right people to explain all this. So that is about the developmental works. Yeah, I try my best to bring development. That is a part. Is my duty as a local MLA. That is simple as that only. So people of North is very clever, and they know how to elect their leaders.